husband has volunteered to cook for a week, 2 weeks. I forgot to put on the camera before, but today he's going to make for us. What are you making?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Okay, no. What are you really making?
Spaghetti and meat sauce.
Meat
with
sauce.
Chicken. We're not gonna make no meatballs, we're just making it a meat sauce.
Meat sauce.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Yes, correct.
Minced chicken.
Earlier here. Egg choker.
Yeah.
So first thing I gotta do, put this spaghetti to boil.
Spaghetti.
I had to use these pots because I'm not allowed to use new pots because I switch cooking videos.
What are you doing? Doing a cooking video?
Whoa! Watch yourself there, froggy.
So what's the plan of action?
Trying to figure it out right now, actually.
Need my help?
No, not at all.
He's been trying to do everything by himself, cooking wise, and don't mind actually.
Waiting the spice grow. I like to cook with spicy.
And he cooks with a lot of different spice, FYI. What are you sipping on?
Strawberry smoothie. Check out my TikTok if you want to see how I made that.
That's what he's been doing since we've been home. Check him out on TikTok, making drinks.
We are locked down. We are going to do a cargo fishing. I'm spending time with my beautiful wife.
While he makes drinks. Hey!
Oh yeah. Yeah, once I cook it, I like to have a I don't know if this is enough water. This minced chicken is just full of water. It was frozen. I don't know what to do. I'm going to throw it out in this bowl here.
So big question, do you wash minced chicken or no?
Yeah, wash minced chicken. Everything can wash away.
I'm just saying because that's a question that we get asked a lot.
Well, I assume you wash it already, but should I wash it back with soap?
With soap?
Take out some of the freshness.
Yeah guys, he's going to wash minced chicken.
Use this soap.
Having fun?
I'm not retarded, guys.
So in the meantime, pimento, garlic. We chop up the garlic chunky boy. Onion, tomato, shadow belly, tomato paste, and some spaghetti sauce. Thinking about what to do?
Figure out the plan of action.
No problem.
One question though, like how fast minced chicken is cooked?
In like 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how much you put in your pot and your heat, but it does not take long.
I need to prepare myself for something in it. And then I'll put it out and cook it back again.
Why? What's your plan?
I'm gonna get some sauce, so you need sauce, right?
Well, the meat sauce will come from your spaghetti sauce, right? Okay, Ace.
Avocado oil, spray the pan generously. I'll cook the chicken first, so it's like a little heated.
So you just cooking, you're seasoning chicken right now, or what are you doing?
No, while you're cooking a seasoning. This kind of pan takes a little while.
That kind of pan is not a nice pan, FYI.
Yeah,
We bought that and it was not a good buy at all.
It looks nice, but
It's very pretty looking, but it's a no.
it's impractical. Seasoning going in here, all purpose. Paprika, black paprika, healthy garlic, plenty garlic, love garlic, little cayenne, energy love heat, smudge of black pepper.
And smudge.
The first round of seasoning there, guys. I just real season my food. Medium heat. Chicken just about finished. You can leave it a little bit on the underdone side. We'll cook a little more just now. You'll see what I'm talking about. Most people can do that with your skills. Now we just put in a little smudge of butter inside here. Same pan the chicken was in. onion, garlic, pimento. And that's what over there. So the onions that get a little translucent. You throw in the tomato. I'll provide a little liquid sauce.
Yeah, terrible, eh? Like, look at that brown thing.
You give it 1 spoon of tomato paste. Maybe a spoon and a half.
Tomato sauce and, spaghetti sauce and tomato sauce?
Yeah.
Tomato paste.
Correct.
Okay.
Line out it. This is a little bit too thick for me, so we're just going to put in some hot water. Give that a mix. A little bit of ketchup to stretch it. More spaghetti. Add a little bit more water, guys. Do you want sauce?
Yeah, it's a meat sauce with,
Heat is on low. I'm just going to throw in some oregano.
basil.
G styles. Instead of basil, we're going with some cilantro or chardon benny.
That's perfect.
Just looking real good. Wow. Alright guys, we just going to taste for salt. It's not very spicy. You add some pepper sauce or hot paprika energy you cut up. I'm not the best taster. I can't eat hot food so good, but beautiful. The beautiful. Energy. We will love it. So the serving size in the pack says 7, so we're going with half. That should be about a little more than half.
Oh, wow. That's fine.
Just leave them, they'll fall in.
And then we put in the meat sauce on top of it.
Yes, we're making it and then we're putting that and then putting meat sauce on top of it.
Nice. Cleaning up after too.
Of course, once I cook, I clean.
Very good, very good.
Little pasta water never hurt nobody, guys.
That looks just about fine there.
So we're going restaurant style serving then, size serving. It's lovely, beautiful meat sauce. Alrighty. Want to finish off Salt Bay with shadow benny. Stick anything on, but I said. And voila, restaurant quality spaghetti bolognese.
I must say it does look pretty good.